Welcome back for another video to reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how I can reset the surface and the oil inspection indicator of an Audi TT 2019 model. When we press the ignition on, there is an indicator, oil change and inspection is due indicator. I'm going to show you how I can get rid of that. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, we have to go to the menu. We don't have another screen like any other Audi. Menu area, and here you go to press the menu button. Yes, once you are there, scroll with this to car, press the scroll button, enter the car area. To come over here you have to press this button like this. Once you are here, go to surface intervals and use the scroll button. Press the scroll button to surface to enter the surface area. Press it again, scroll to yes and press it again, and now it says the surface has been reset. Okay, we have another indicator that shows up like this. The inspection has been due for 4,900 kilometers, and that's not possible to reset by hand, so we're gonna use a diagnostic tool. Where I have an Autel Maxicom MK808, not that expensive, very friendly to use. Go to surface, oil reset, VIN auto detect. It will find the car by itself. Once you are there, it will ask you to reset several different menus. The oil service we did reset. The inspection wasn't possible. The inspection surface reset. Press it, press OK. Wait a few seconds. Successfully reset. OK, OK, escape. Now we don't use this anymore, and as you can see, the inspection is also reset to 30,730 days. That was it. I want to thank you for your time watching our videos, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.